Today I will show you how to change line spacing on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account, and once you're logged in, you're going to go to the website that you want to change line spacing for. And once you're in that website, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now at the left side, we're going to click on website. On the website, we're going to go to pages. And on the pages, when we go to the far right of the screen where we see site styles, here we can go into the site styles and we can individually change the line spacing for the font. So once we click into the font, we can go there and we can change for paragraphs. So you see here, it has paragraphs and it has line height here where you can change for each paragraph. And you can also go back and you can go to headings also, and you can change line spacings for each heading. But if you'd like to change for a particular paragraph or a heading, what you're going to do is you're going to download Squarespace ID Finder from the Chrome Web Store. Once you've installed it, you're going to go to your Squarespace account. Under pages, you're going to go to the bottom under custom code. You're going to click on custom CSS. And on the custom CSS, here you're going to click on the find Squarespace ID extension. Once you click on it, it's going to show you IDs of the blocks. Now we're going to click on that. We're going to turn it off and we're going to come to our custom CSS. We'll paste up. We're going to input right next to it. We're going to give it a p tag. So any paragraph that's under this ID, we want to change the line spacing, so the line height, to whatever we want to do it. We can do, let's do 20 em so you can see the change. And you see, as soon as I put it, it's changing. You can do we can do 50 em. You see, as soon as I change it, it's changing. And that's how you change line spacing on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.